Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the most of the important point, that is a pregnancy which is seen into the female life. It is very important condition which is carrying one or more embryos in the uterus, called as the gestation. It is also called as the gestation. In that what happened, it is the period from the fertilization of the egg up to the parturition. It is one of the period between fertilization of एगचं फर्टिलायझेशन पर्यंत तर पार्च्युरेशन म्हणजे बर्थ ऑफ बेबी. The average period of pregnancy in the human last for the 266 days फ्रॉम द फर्टिलायझेशन. म्हणजे टोटल अबाउट जे ॲव्हरेज आहे पिरियड ऑफ प्रेग्नेन्सीचा दॅट इज 280. टोटल 280 दिवसांची प्रेग्नेन्सी असते, विच इज काउंटेड फ्रॉम द LMC म्हणजे लास्ट मेन्स्ट्रुएशन सायकल. जे लास्ट मेन्स्ट्रुएशन सायकल असते त्यापासून तर कम्प्लिटली पार्च्युरेशन टाईमपर्यंत. दिस प्रेग्नेन्सी पिरियड ऑफ अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 9 months डिवायडेड इंटू 3 ट्रायमिस्टर ऑफ द 3 months इच. म्हणजे इथे हे जे कम्प्लीट सायकल आहे ती तीन ट्रायमिस्टर म्हणजे 3 ट्रायमिस्टर्समध्ये 3 फेजमध्ये डिवाईड केलेली आहे, each of these 3 months. Okay, the first trimester, when we see about the first trimester, in that this is the period from fertilization to 12 week. Okay, in this phase what happen, it is the time of most radical changes which is seen into the mother and embryo. Okay, the embryo which is receive the nutrient in the first 2 to 4 weeks directly from the endomerium. Means it is the main period of organogenesis. It is the main period of organogenesis. म्हणजे completely organogenesis is a period आहे, म्हणजे organs form होण्याची जो phase आहे that is the first trimester and the development of the body organ. In that what happen, by the end of 8 weeks, by the end of 8 week, the major structure found in the adult and form in the embryo in the rudimentary form. Okay, the embryo is now called as the fetus. जेव्हा तो कम्प्लिटली फॉर्ममध्ये म्हणजे एम्ब्रियो जो आहे कम्प्लीट फॉर्म होतो दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द फिटस, विच फुल्ली ग्रोन इन द सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टीम, सर्क्युलेटरी अँड एक्सक्रिटरी सिस्टीम अँड द मेजर स्ट्रक्चर आर फॉर्म इन अ रुडिमेंटरी फॉर्म. The embryo which is having 3 centimeter in a long. This म्हणजे ते जे फिटस फॉर्म झाले ते किती सेंटीमीटर लॉंग असणार, 3 सेंटीमीटर लॉंग. आर्म्स, हँड, फिंगर, फीट्स, टोज are formed. Fetus can open and close the mouth and face. Central nervous system fully form. Working of excretory and circulatory system begins. Movement of the fetus begin but mothers cannot feel it. Okay, fetusची मुवमेंट सुरू होते पण मदर फील करू शकत नाही. तशाच प्रकारे हार्टबीट जे आहे इट कॅन बी हर्ड फ्रॉम 6 week. Progesterone level become high and menstrual cycle is suspended till the end of pregnancy. प्रोजेस्टेरॉनची लेवल जी आहे ती वाढते आणि मेन्स्ट्रुअल सायकल प्रेग्नन्सी असताना स्टॉप होते. ॲट द एंड ऑफ फर्स्ट ट्रायमिस्टर fetus is about 7 to 10 centimeter long. Okay, meanwhile the mother's body also undergoes the rapid change. मदरच्या बॉडीमध्ये पण चेंजेस दिसतात. हाय लेवल ऑफ प्रोजेस्टेरॉन इनिशिएट द चेंज इन हर रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टीम. जास्त लेवल प्रोजेस्टेरॉनची लेवल वाढल्यामुळे मदरची जे रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टीम आहे त्या रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टीममध्ये सुद्धा चेंजेस दिसतात. मॅटर्नल पार्ट ऑफ प्लॅसेंटा ग्रोज, द अंडर बिकम्स लार्जर. देन in this period the mother experience morning sickness म्हणजे नॉसिया म्हणा किंवा वॉमिटिंग म्हणा, मूड स्विंग्स म्हणा, तर अशा प्रकारचे काही लक्षणं आपल्याला पहिल्या फर्स्ट ट्रायमिस्टरमध्ये दिसत असतात. आफ्टर द फर्स्ट ट्रायमिस्टर द सेकंड ट्रायमिस्टर विच इज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 10th to 26 week. In this process or in this trimester what happen, there is a rapid growth of fetusची rapidly growth होते. त्यानंतर the growth of uterus which is seen for the pregnancy to become abuse. Then fetus is very active and grow to about 30 centimeter. In this phase the fetus which is very active in nature and growth having 30 centimeter. Development of the brain begins and In that, the important thing is that the corpus luteum degenerates and the placenta completely takes over the production of progesterone, which maintain the pregnancy. जे इथे कार्पस लिटियम जे ते कम्प्लिटली डिजनरेट होते आणि प्लासेंटा जे आहे विच इज टेक्स प्लेस ओवर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्रोजेस्टेरॉन हार्मोनची लेवल वाढते आणि प्रेग्नन्सी जी आहे ती मेंटेन करण्यास मदत करते. देन another important thing is that in this phase ultrasound or sonography at 12 to 18 weeks shows the baby growth and the position. म्हणजे ह्या फेजमध्ये सोनोग्राफीसुद्धा केली जाते आणि त्यामध्ये 18 to 12 वीकमधले बेबीजची ग्रोथ आणि पोझिशनसुद्धा कळते. सो फ्रॉम दिस एस्टिमेट ड्यू टू डेट ऑफ डिलिव्हरी कॅन बी एस्टॅब्लिश्ड. जे आपल्याला या फेजमध्ये जे डिलिव्हरीची डेट आहे तीसुद्धा आपल्याला एस्टॅब्लिश करता येते. त्यानंतर बेबीज मूवमेंट कॅन बी इझिली फेल्ड बाय द मदर. देन हेड हॅज हेअर, eyebrows and eyelashes appear, pinnas are distinct, and the baby reaches the half the size of newborn. The third trimester, that is the final trimester, in that the duration is from 27 weeks till the parturition. In this process what happened here, that is the fetus grows to about the 3 to 4 kg in a weight and 50 centimeter in a length, and the baby having eyes are open. There is a gain in a body weight, and fetus grows, the uterus expand around it, the mother's abdominal organ become compressed and displaced, leading to frequent urination, digestive blockage and strain in the back muscles. At the end of third trimester, the fetus become fully developed and ready for the parturition. Next is placenta. Placenta is a temporary discoidal structure and functional connection between the fetal and maternal circulation. It attaches the baby umbilical cord to the wall of uterus, and it's formed by the maternal and fetal tissue. Maternal, that uterine wall, and fetal tissue, that chorionic villi. The placenta allow the supply of oxygen and nutrient, and also for removal of carbon dioxide and excretory waste produced by the fetus. The human placenta is called as the hemochorial and act as an endocrine tissue and produces hormone like HCG, progesterone, estrogen. These are required for the fetal growth and maintenance of the pregnancy. You can see here in this diagram where is the what is the position of the placenta. Next is parturition. Parturition is one of the process of childbirth. It involves the uterine and abdominal contraction, dilation of cervix, and passage of baby are collectively called the labor. Parturition is controlled by the neuroendocrine mechanism, in that the signal from the fetus and placenta, which is mild uterine contraction, and give rise in estrogen and progesterone ratio. At that time, increase in oxytocin receptor in uterine muscles and vigorous contraction of the myometrium, which doing the expulsion of the baby from the uterus. It involves 3 stages. Parturition done by 3 processes, that is dilation stage, expulsion stage, and afterbirth stage. In the first stage, during the dilation stage, what happens? Oxytocin induces the uterine contraction. ऑक्सिटोसिन काय करणार? युटेराइन कॉन्ट्रॅक्शनला इंड्यूस करेल. इट बिकम स्ट्रॉंगर अँड बेबी इज पुश डाऊन इन द युटेरस. At that time, the cervix and vagina get dilated and the amniotic membrane of fetus get ruptures. During the expulsion stage, the fetus passes out through the cervix and vagina with the head down position. The umbilical cord is cut off close to the baby's navel. The afterbirth stage involves the separation of placenta from the uterus and its expulsion due to the severe contraction of the uterus. The next topic, that is lactation. Lactation is the one of the process of milk production from the mammary gland of the female after the childbirth. and it is under the influence of the hormone prolactin. Lactation provides the nutrition to the newborn baby, in that the sticky and yellow fluid secreted by the mammary gland as soon after childbirth is called colostrum, which contain the protein and lactose and mother's antibody, that is IgA. Okay, in that one of the yellow fluid which is present, that is called as the colostrum, and it is mostly important for the protein, lactose, and mother antibodies. This antibody which is transferred to the baby from the mother, and it is responsible for the immune power. The antibodies help in developing the resistance for the newborn baby. म्हणजे जे antibodies फॉर्म होता आहे ते ज्या antibodies आहेत ते it help in developing resistance for the newborn baby, and this lactation process provide the nutrition to the newborn baby.